Unfamiliar to most of the world, Meizu is prominent in its homeland of China, where local users have been welcoming the brand's MX, Pro, and M series of handsets. While the former are meant to be the best smartphones Meizu is capable of building, the M series is where the company experiments with delivering the most value possible at a sub $199 price. The M series third-generation flagship device, the M3 Note, goes all out, promising high-end smartphone features like a metal body, a big display, above-average performance, a competent camera, and superb battery life. Meizu's undertaking surely has us intrigued with its too-good-to-be-true character, and by the end of this review, we'll know exactly how much the M3 Note fulfills the brand's ambitions. Interface. Android Lollipop is outdated, but the smartphone handles well and is ready to go right away. The Meizu M3 Note ships running Android 5.1 Lollipop with the manufacturer's Flyme 5.1 user interface. Outdated it may be, but the software experience is fast, straightforward, and easy on the eyes. We're fond of Meizu's stock apps, and theming is also an option, with a sizable selection of skins available to try out. Unlike many Chinese handsets we've been testing lately, the Meizu M3 Note comes fully localized, devoid of bloatware apps, and with Google's ecosystem installed. It's good for use straight out of the box, just the way it should be. Processor and memory. The M3 Note is quick and responsive, but lacks the processing muscle for intense gaming. The star of Meizu's affordable range is powered by MediaTek's Helio P10 processor, a 64-bit chip with an octa-core ARM Cortex-A53 CPU and ARM Mali T860 GPU. The M3 Note's 16GB version, which we tested, has 2GB of RAM memory, while the 32GB one has 3GB RAM. The internal storage is expandable with a microSD card, although popping one in will occupy one of the two available SIM slots. While the P10 is designed with efficiency rather than performance in mind, the M3 Note is fluid and responsive. Alas, it's unreasonable to expect flagship-level gaming performance out of it, for its benchmark scores are below average and games with graphics quality beyond that of the typical casual title will drag and stutter.